All right, guys. What we got here today is another little overview, kind of a review thing. Condition 1 has sent a very cool item. Let's check it out. How it comes in the box. This is it right here. Heavy duty, nice. There. Guys, nice hinges, solid, heavy duty pistol case. It's got some stuff here, diagram. All right, this is what it is. Pistol case, mag carrier, tons of space for mags. This is an oversized mag as well, so bigger one, so it fits perfectly in there. So all right, nice foam cutouts for all of your pistols. You can carry up to 5 of them. This is a full-size SIG P320 M17. Fits perfectly in there. So, even some room to spare a little bit, looks like. So very cool, very cool. Nice. How it fits in there. So, protects all your pistols. Take them to the range, haul them to the range like this. Look at all the mag space. You've got 12 right here with an additional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 20 spots for extra mags, not including the ones inside your pistols. So that would be 25 basically. And that you can carry in there. Fully loaded mags. Guys, this is a great thing too. Not only just to protect your pistols, maybe store them. Things like that. It's got a locks. Space here for a lock on it. Right here. Both of these have locks on it. Nice handle, rubberized grip. It's even got the seal right here, ring. So it's waterproof, airproof. It's even got the vacuum seal right here to release the pressure and things. All right, now what I was going to say about this is not only is it good just to store your stuff, keep it locked up, keep it together, whatever have you, organized, protected, because this stuff is nice and soft, is that if you're in a hurry, let's say you need to grab and go, bug out, this is ready to go. You can just grab this and go, throw it in the back of the truck, whatever, back seat next to you, whatever. It's right there. And like I said, you're fully locked and stocked and loaded and ready to go with 25 total mags in there. Very cool. So, room for 5 pistols, max of 25 mags, protected because it's 20 mags, empty slots, plus one in each of your firearm if you have 5. And if you don't, say you got 3, you can throw other mags and box of bullets in there, whatever. Very cool stuff. Now these guys have all kinds of cases. They not only have cases for pistols like this, but they have rifles, they have storage, things like that. Guys, these are nice cases. Really nice cases. Waterproof, airproof, airtight. Very nice. This one's an OD. They have them in black. I think they got them in like tan. They got a couple different other colors. Things like that. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. I think they even got red ones if you need a market for first aid, all that kind of stuff. Nice cases, stackable. Very nice. Heavy duty. And guys, they're really not too expensive. I will put a link down to them below. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. Condition 1. Condition 1 case. Nice hinges on that. Look at that. There's the bottom. Stackable. See, they're all stackable. Nice latches. Kind of a push. And there you go. Very nice. Like I said, waterproof, airtight. Very cool. A lot of room. Very nice. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it. It's just kind of an overview. We'll do another review on it, like in a period of time, maybe like a year from now. See how well it's held up, things like that, using it and storing stuff in it, things like that. So anyway, that is going to be it. Keep it heavy.